Hello, Amy. I'm sorry. I encountered a sudden power interruption. Anyway, we will continue with our class. Okay, so where were we? We were about um okay, so we are now here in number 6. Okay, can you read number 6, Amy?
Yes, yes.
Look, a superpower.
Teacher.
A superpower is a make-believe ability used by characters such as superheroes. Okay, so most of the superheroes have superpowers. Are you a superhero, Amy? Yes or no? Wow. Okay, then if you will to become a superhero, what power do you want to have? Do you want to be like Elsa, who can turn everything into an ice? Yes or no? Yes, Amy? All right. So for today, I mean for this page, Amy, let's see if you learned something about the dreams. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions about the story that we had last week. So what is the story all about, Amy? Hello, Amy. Hello, Amy. Oh, I can't hear you.
Oh
Okay, so what is the story all about? It was all about dreams. Okay, so what did a boy dream about? He dreamt about space. He dreamt about monsters. What else?
no.
The boy dreamt about playing, cooking, swimming. Okay. What about you, Amy? Do you usually dream when you sleep?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so what appears in your dream?
Dream princess. Dream monster. I'm dream vampire. I'm dream macaron. I dream and I dream Hazel.
Oh, wow. So what is your most favorite dream? I bet it was about the princess, right?
Yes.
Wow, that's great, Amy. Okay, so you can be a princess in your dream. Who is your favorite princess? Is it Cinderella, Elsa, Anna, Snow White, Sophia the First? Who's your
Uh,
favorite
uh,
princess?
teacher, here.
Yes.
Popular, it me on the top of the sky, we are, I can fly, for throne I can fly, and the best of my come to the window, and with me I can fly, for now I can fly. One day, man, only bring down the sky. Up, above, Snow White.
Can you sing that one again?
Okay.
All right.
Love in the sky, send me all around the sky. Show me, yeah, hold me, yeah, hold me tight, hold me, so they love, so they touch the sky, and then only heart, and then the only heart I can fly. The throne I can fly. Come give me the best of mine, and take the best of the. Believe me, I can fly. But throne I can fly. Come give me the best of mine, and take me I can fly. Yeah. So
W-
white.
Wow, that was a very beautiful song, Amy. Thank you for singing that one. You know what? I can
So
see a
sing.
video of that from YouTube. Oh, but I don't know how to sing I Can Fly. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just familiar about it, but I don't know how to sing. Yeah, so who
So
taught you about that song, Amy?
I'm watching the TV.
Wow, that's great. So what other songs do you know?
And in the sky, my mommy, twinkle
Mm-hmm.
twinkle, Christmas,
Wow.
baby.
Wow. Okay, so what's your favorite song? Is it about you are my sunshine? Is it like that? So what's your favorite song, Amy?
So my favorite song is I feel of the year with me on the sky.
Oh, that's I Can Fly, right? Actually,
Yes,
I think that is not I Can Fly. I that is proud of you.
Ram, you right.
Yeah. Believe me, I can fly. I'm proud that I can fly to give the best of mine, the heaven in the sky. I can fly. Believe me, I can fly. Oh, but I don't know that song. And my voice is not that good. All right. So anyway, thank you for singing that song. Now, do you want to draw, Amy?
Yes.
Do you want to draw? Yes or no?
Sinitan siya kung
Do you want to draw this time, Amy? Yes or no? Hello, Amy. Are you there? Yes. Okay, so this time I want you to draw the things that
Okay.
you can see in your dream. What are the things that you can see in your dream? For example, I can
Okay.
see flower on my in my dream. Then I will draw a sunflower here. Okay, now your turn, Amy. Draw one thing that you can see in your dream.
Okay. Wait for me a second.
All right, Amy. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry because we are running out of time. So, yes, so I will just give you 5 seconds to complete your drawing. Let's see. Wow, so what's that?
Wait.
Oh, that's beautiful, Amy.
It's a monster.
A monster. So you dreamt about the monster. Anyway, Amy, it's already time. So that's the end of our class. Thank you so much for singing a song. You have a beautiful voice. And see you next time for our next unit. Bye, Amy.